Next para. Commission observed that Lieutenant General retired Faiz Hamid, the then Major General DGC ISI, on behalf of security establishment had to sign the agreement as a mediator between two parties, which was with the permission of DGISI and COAS. This was also concurred by then Interior Minister SN Iqbal and PM. Involvement of Army or its affiliated agency in pure civilian matters adversely affects the fair image of the institution. Army is a sacred arm of the state, therefore to avoid criticism, the institution may not be involved in public matters. This task may be assigned to IB and civil administration. With this, not only the confidence level of the civilian setup will be built, but also political and other opinion leaders will take them seriously.
Why is he going out of the way to mention and then exonerate this gentleman? Why the need? If we may have constituted another commission to exonerate General Faiz, then he could have written all this thing. Why is he mentioning him at every given juncture?
Yeah, well, sir,
the question is it your job or not? Whether I give, it's like saying that the Chief Justice gave permission to his tenor to issue the judgment. So the question is, did he have the authority or not?
While responding to the TORs where they had to affix responsibility, तो वहाँ पे नहीं fix की है. वहाँ पे तो IG पंजाब का ही सिर्फ जिक्र किया था. वहाँ पे अगर responsibility fix नहीं की है तो recommendation it's counterintuitive. It doesn't make sense. अगर आपने वहाँ पे नहीं किया तो यहाँ क्यों कह रहे हैं?
What does he mean by army is a sacred arm of the state? What does this even mean? Is it constitutional language? Is it legal language? Army is part of the federal government under the Ministry of Defense. What is the sacred arm of the state? मतलब ये तो लग रहा है इन काम पर हैं, क्या हो रहा है इनको मेंबरों को? Sacred arm of the state, भाई. Why is the judiciary less sacred? The parliament less sacred? I'm really surprised at this level of officer. कौन से grade के थे ये लोग?
They were two former inspector generals of police.
Grade what? 21, 20 क्या होता है?
So I think both of them retired in BS 21. They did serve as IGs but retired in BS 21.